Hey guys, how you doing? Asplenia here. Just got my mini JRxT and just kind of going over the unboxing and everything, making sure everything looks good. So I pulled out of the box. It does come with a vehicle, of course, and a Spectrum transmitter. You've probably seen this on many other YouTube videos, so I won't bother doing the unboxing. But something I did want to kind of go over, what I do on any of my vehicles that when I first get them, is a couple of, I mean, I look over the vehicle. I want to make sure that all the stickers are down before anything gets dirty. So I see, there's a couple of stickers, this or that. So you just go around, with your thumb, this or that. It gets nice and warm, so you make sure the stickers are actually sitting in properly. Another thing I like to do is take zip ties and put them on the clips themselves. This way it's easier to pull on and off. And these ones are actually almost the same color yellow here, so it looks pretty good, and you shouldn't lose them too bad in the grass. So another thing I like to do is let's just drop this down here. I'll pull these off. Now I'm charging the battery with its supplied charger right now, so it's been on for about 10 minutes or so. Anyway, so let's take a look at the body itself. So one of the things I like to do as well is I kind of go through and see where the body's going to be rubbing, and I just use black electrical tape. So this way, I mean, you can do it after, but you're going to find out where all the marks that the tires or maybe the body mounts or something else might hit. So in this situation, you got your T-bar here where it's going to be touching, and then also if the tires go through the full articulation, it could come up and hit here. I've also noted that up through here on the bottom of the doors, it could be hitting some of the suspension here, and then also just on the front post as well. So still have to go over, make sure all the stickers are on that. I love the look of the body. It is nice, very nice. This is my first Losi JRx. I don't even remember seeing these things in the book, the old Tower Hobbies book, but when I saw this come out, awesome. Let's see, so this is limited edition, so the number I have here, can I zoom in on that? 1173 of 5,000, so not too bad. I got this ordered the day I saw it come out. Haven't really done anything with the chassis. Everything looks pretty good. The back end, this suspension is amazing. Take a look at that. Nice and soft. I'm assuming these shocks are going to leak just because all my shocks seem to leak. But I like the look of this. Big, huge fan of monster trucks. As you can tell, sorry about the bad lighting, but kind of a monster truck fan. Oh, it's gonna get even darker. Yeah, got my Bigfoot here. Can you even see that? Yeah, I guess you can. Anyway, so yeah, so big fan of monster trucks. So when I saw that this come out, I definitely wanted it. And I also made a little zip tie thing also for the battery hold down as well. Nice looking little unit. Beautiful. So today is actually a nice sunny day out, so hopefully I can get some video of it out there and running. Cool thing with the controller too, in case anybody is wondering, you can actually thumb and drive. So like steer and drive, not thumb and drive. So this way you can get some pretty good videos as well. The controller, that being said, the controller feels really good. I have like probably a normal size hand and no problem fitting into it. I love the fact that, again, you can steer while you are using the throttle. There's a couple different things you can do on here for throttle and trim and etc, etc. Other than that, and your little power button on the back here. Cool. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you that. I know there's lots of videos of this vehicle out there, but I'm pretty excited about mine. Again, just going to go over all the stickers. I do recommend putting tape on the bottom, unless you don't want your body wrecked, this or that. I mean, I just like to keep things as new as possible. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to. And I will see you in the next video. See ya. Bye.